Kia ora tātou, ko Peter Mehana tōku ingoa. We're down here at Tītīrangi. So Raymond's brought us down here for a tai Wānanga, so the kaupapa for the weekend is for us to discuss our Mataitai reserve and our application under the Takutai Moana Act.
Kia ora tātou, ko Raymond Smith tāku ingoa, ko Ngāti Kuia tāku iwi. My role here as environmental manager for Ngāti Kuia is about looking after some of the environmental issues that we've got. A lot of that has been Tītī Island, and I suppose resurrecting our access and our rights to get back onto that island. We've secured that over the last 10 years, and now we're sort of focusing on mahinga kai in the ocean and possibly setting up with Mataitai. The number one driver for it is that there's a whole heap of competition for space between aquaculture industry, marine protected areas like recreational fishing parks, and just marine reserves.
Ngāti Kuia has always harvested these islands out here, but in 1856 we were pretty much forced into a sale of all of our rights and interests in the Waipona route. And as far as our people were concerned, we didn't sell the islands. The islands were excluded. Others other than us had a interest in the land too. So at that time, Pākehā New Zealanders had discovered a conservation effort. So a number of places that we used as mahinga kai were now seen as valuable in terms of that effort, so places to be preserved. So 1901, Mutton Birds was taken. 1904, the Nuku Waiata was taken. In 1934, Te Kākoho was taken.
You know, and when you realise that this down here was our supermarket, and it was the old ways, and we didn't want to forget the old ways. We always knew about the old ways, but we would have forgotten about it if Raymond hadn't started this thing going again and brought back memories. And that's a good thing. Our people need to know that there is food down here. It wasn't only the mutton birds that we gathered when we came down here. We used to take heaps of blue cod home too, cases of it, and every family got 2 bins of blue cod. They took it home and they cut them open and they dried most of them. Used to easily last a year. You'd hang them up in the meat safes, dry them, and if you ever went away somewhere, or you always grabbed one piece. If you ever went out hunting, you grabbed a blue cod, dried blue cod, put it in your bag, and that was your food source when you went up into the hills and you got hungry.
Ia koe kuperunga ana mai matahoru a te waka mare wai a koe ki te tau ihu o te waka o te tipu a mahi tiki tiki ko te hikinga o te pane tutu ma po te panga mai o te whaititiri kei rungara aro rangi kei raro nei aro nuku ki aro mo maraero a ki te noni ngā kumu te ai ta ngā nui a kuia e rarau nei taku tapu ai ki te pātaka nui o te hora e te ranga wei whakaripo ki te hoi ere ano taku tangi ki te ranga mātua e o ki rā ki kopu parapara e ngā manu whakateka o te wānui au e Takutai Wai ho tangai ho ki te ao tūroa ki te whakaemi i te arara. O kai kai a waro he tipua he tangiwha. Whakarau i ka tia mai ki te ko kiri kiri ngara uata o te iti o te rahi o ngā mara nui o Ngāti Kuia Tītīrangi Wānanga.
Kia ora whānau, my name's Mihi Wilson. We've had the fortune of being invited to some wonderful wānanga here. So I'm here at Tītīrangi learning about who I am, about how our whānau in the past used to collect food. I'm getting to know my whakapapa, I'm getting to know my tikanga. Those values are very important to me because I come from Auckland City at the moment and I've lived all around the North Island pretty much. And I've only become to visit my mother's marae at Te Hura.
Pihau kakariki te awa, ko kurahaupo te waka, matahaurua kurahaupo ngā waka, Ngāti Kuia te iwi. Come along today to visit one of our ancestral sites and to learn about the Mataitai. First time here, so really happy to actually finally make it here. This is the place that we say that our ancestor Pou Whakarewarewa used to live, and he had his pā here, and so we're here now at Tītīrangi, so I'm really rapt. This is my first occasion to actually partake in one of the tai ao o mahi ngā kai wānanga, so that's a big deal, and I'm really rapt I can bring my son along to finally meet some of the kazis and well, learn about the mahi of our ancestors. So that's why I'm here.
Awesome.
Kia ora, ko Lee toku ingoa. I've been coming to these wānangas for Ngāti Kuia for a couple of years now. We all have specific roles in our iwi, and I've by default taken on a kaimoana gathering position in the iwi.
What do you think's here, bro?
Hopefully kinners.
Oh, there's a huge.
Any cray?
Everyone's hanging out for a feed of kinners. What's that size on it? The cook straight's bugger.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've moved forward.
We'll probably go out here, doesn't it? No.
So buttoned off. And I think it's great that as an iwi we can do this and hopefully keep sharing our knowledge with the with the youth that's following behind.
Tēnā koutou ngā whānau o Ngāti Kuia. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou, ngā mihi nui a roha. Kua parorangi i te maunga, ko raukawa te moana, ko Ngati Kuia Tītīrangi. Greetings. Yes, I see this Wānanga as a retelling of a story that has been part of our past for a long, long time. The cry of the Tītī, ka tangi te Tītī, has been the call to us to come to this place. No karanga o te rā. The reason for being here is to relive a memory, and it's only a memory now, of days gone by when our people harvested the precious Tītī. So that's my thoughts on being here, and the reason why I'm here, and to share that story with all those who are wanting to share in our wonderful whakapapa and our wonderful history.